Welcome, here I've got iPhone 13 Pro Max and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so let's stay here and move up to the center button. So when we pick it, we get access to extra settings bar which appears here above the shutter, and here we can manage some settings about the camera. Now let's pick the center button, so we get access to our aspect ratio. We are in 4:3, from the left we have square, so 1:1, and as you can see the background has changed to this type of view. We can pick also here and move to 16:9, so we can get access to longer ratio. And now let's tap here once again to move back to 4:3, the original one. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.